Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I have a couple of my favorite things today, so let's get into them. Check them out. I have my Vellabox candle. It's my clean candles. I love candles. I love my candle warmer, so I still have all of my candles. Ooh, and I have a hack for the candle warmer. We'll share that in a little bit. And I have my Mani Ipsy. You guys know I love doing my nails. I love doing the patterns on them. This one I have on it now is kind of like a terracotta pattern of a Mexican tile. So pretty. So I can't wait to see what's in our June Mani by Me box. Let's open up our candle first. Vellabox, this is sent to me for review. I will put a link down below with Catherine 50. Will get you 50% off your first candle. You can get it in 4, 8, or 16 ounces. When you sign up, you will fill out a very thorough questionnaire that will find out exactly what you like in scents and flavors, just everything about you that they need to know, because each month they work with a different artisan that will put together clean candles for us, so we aren't introducing the toxins of regular candles into our house. And they do 3 scents, I think, usually. I think each month 3 scents. And then Vellabox picks the best of those 3 scents for you based on what you filled out when you filled out your survey. That is what this one looks like. Very pretty. Happy in a million little ways. Each month you will also have a bonus item. We'll talk about that in a second. It comes in a canvas bag. This one is kind of like a cross between tie-dyed and tea-stained. It's really pretty. Let's reach in for the paperwork. Here is our bonus item. Maybe a bookmarker? Do you think maybe a bookmark? Let's see what the, whoops, box is falling. Let's see what the paperwork says. Brass bookmark clip. This clip not only secures your place within the pages, but also serves as a beautiful reminder of the joy found in the simple pleasures of reading by candlelight. This is super handy. I do most of my reading with my ears these days. I don't know what to call it. People will say I read 3 books, but they've really listened to them. I can't bring myself to do that, because if I listened to them with my ears, I didn't read them. I listened to them, but that would be like watching a movie and then saying you read the book to me. You know, welcome to my weird opinions. Unpopular opinion, if you did it with your ears, you didn't read it. Okay. That's a weird tangent to get off on. This is so nice. The outside part feels super thin, so you can tell that it wouldn't really disrupt the book too much. I have a granddaughter that loves to read, and she might enjoy this very much, so I will probably set that aside for her. Let's get into the main deal, the candle. I could tell now it was in the bag. I couldn't tell before. It says Vellabox up top, and then there's a book, a candle, and a happy face. How did I miss that? That is so cute. Okay, this is my candle. It is Amalfi Coast by Fjord and Fable Home Fragrances. That is what it looks like. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my gosh. It smells like salt. It smells like the ones that they try when they name them, well, Amalfi Coast. When they name them oceany things, but there's a little something under there. Citrus of some sort. Does it say on here? Sweet lemon, jasmine, and sea salt. Jasmine? Yeah, there's a little bit of floral in there. I'll accept that. What does this say? Amalfi Coast. They consider it citrus. I do not find the citrus to be the most predominant scent. That salty spa-like scent is what I find to be the most predominant scent. Amalfi Coast promises not just a scent, but a moment of pure coastal bliss. Let the alluring sweetness of lemon, kissed by the Mediterranean sun, whisk you away to terraced cliffs overlooking sapphire waters. Blooms of jasmine add a touch of delicate romance, while the sea salt cradles the essence of endless horizons. Do you feel more relaxed? I do. I love my candles. This one's going downstairs right onto my candle warmer right away because it smells fantastic. Each month Vellabox works with a different artisan, so they are always very different in scent. They come in either the clear or the brown jar. Our lids can be silver, gold, white. That's one that I forgot last time we talked about it, and black. So they blend into any decor you have as opposed to taking it over. I put it on my candle warmer. I will link it below. I do each month. It's one of my favorite things. Here's the hack I was talking about. My downstairs bathroom is pink. I saw the cutest pink candle. It might have been on Amazon, and it was just like a Glade strawberry something. And I thought strawberry, I think it was strawberry shortcake. It was like, that would be really cute in the bathroom because it was pink. Also, strawberry shortcake, that sounds delightful. So I used it, and of course, because it was an inexpensive candle, it burnt badly and kind of at the side. And I thought, I wonder if I put that under my candle warmer and got it hot, because that's what it does. It melts the upper layers, if it would even it out, and it did. So the takeaway is, if you like to burn candles too, but you have a candle warmer and a candle has burned unevenly, which these won't do, but a candle has burned unevenly, stick it under your candle warmer and it'll slowly even it out. I thought that was a good hack. This smells so good. I'm going downstairs with this and add the other one that I have under it to my collection, because I never run out of candles now, because I just use them on my candle warmers so they never burn away. I'm gonna have to put up shelves here soon where I just start stacking all of my candles, because I just picked the one whose scent suits me probably once a week or so. And I just change them out and none of them are going away. I feel kind of like I'm cheating. I don't know why. It's like I have candles, but I'm not going through any of them. It's magic. Okay, next we have our Mani by Me. This is our June box. Mani by Me is from Maniology, and it is their subscription box. It comes out once a month. I buy this with my own money, but I am a Maniology affiliate. I will put the link down below. My discount does not work on the Mani by Me, but they have every month. You think I would remember. They have a code that will take $5 off your first box. I will find it again and put it down below. You get a little bundle. We will have 2 of the plates, 2 of the polishes, and a bonus item. The plates will never be in the regular Maniology sale, for sale. Yeah, for sale plates. They are exclusive to Mani by Me. The polishes are in the box first. They will eventually turn up for sale with the regular products, but the plates never do. This is Mani by Me. Oh, I forgot. I knew what this one was. Can you tell? Is there anything on here? You could probably tell. I'll give you a second with it. Can you tell what it's gonna be? There's a couple good tells on there. It's Wizard of Oz. How cool is that? I figured parts of it my girls will love. Oh, our bonus item is a tool, and it's a pair of really tightly pointed scissors. A lot of people make their own press-on nail strips, and you can use on your silicone, you can make your own. And this is really good to cut them with. But oh, that is, can you see the point on that? It is so sharp. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to keep the cover on that. That is amazing. This would be excellent for your eyebrows. Just saying. I don't make the nail peel things. I don't have any delusions. I am not artistic. And I have no delusions that I would ever be able to make it, have it look good, lift it, cut it perfectly to fit on my nail and suit me. That's not who I am. I wish it was. Also, we have a, I wanted to say cute. I will admit, we have a sticker. I think it's a fly with flowers around it. Is it a butterfly? Let me know below if you think that's a fly or a butterfly. Also, is it part deer? It looks like it has antlers. It's probably me. Let's see what our 2 colors are for our Wizard of Oz set. Each month you have 2 colors. We have Emerald City, which is this one, and it has dark green to it. It says it's an elegant emerald green stamping polish with a cream finish. And then we have Yellow Brick Road, which is a glittery yellow nail polish that inspires you on your next adventure. That is, I wonder how much, let's just go ahead and ruin one of my nails. It's time for me to redo my nails this weekend anyway. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Follow the Yellow Brick Road. You know what? If I put a coat of that on each of my nails, it might buy me a few more days. That is amazing. Can you see? You can see the yellowness of it compared to the others. I hope you can see some of the glitter. That is fun. Okay, and you also get 2 plates. As we know, these are gonna be Wizard of Oz. The first plate, oh my goodness, this is so fun. You've got bigger ones that you can take parts of. We've got the Yellow Brick Road and I think the Emerald City. I saw a hot air balloon, Dorothy's slippers at the bottom of, and the bottom of her dress. Oh, these are so fun. Run, Toto, run. That strikes me as funny. It's like Run, Forest, Run, but Run, Toto, run. The Emerald City. That's fun. Let's see what the other one is. But that's the fun part about the Mani by Me is they're exclusives. Unless you join Mani by Me, you can't pick up these plates. This one has Dorothy on it and the Good Witch, the Tin Man, the Bad Witch, the Lion, the Scarecrow. So this has a lot of the individual parts to it. Kind of go like that so you can see all the parts. I should have, these should be easier to use because I have now the new stamper that takes the pictures and you can stamp it so that when you release it, it makes it smaller. That should make a lot of these easier to do, which will be great because the kids will love this. I also love on this, having nothing to do with the Wizard of Oz, this top one. Can you guys see that? Here, let me. It's like poppies. I just feel like I would love that on my nails regardless. I think that's so pretty. And that is the Mani by Me for June. Again, I will put a link down below and I will find you the code that gets you the $5 off your first box. That's not part of my code. Plus the $5 would be better than 15% anyway. Thank you so much for coming by. That was a quick one. I love my Vellabox candle. I'm gonna go put it on right now. I can't wait to smell it. It warms up so quickly and they smell so good. I love that. I have the kids most of the weekend this weekend and I don't have to worry about the toxins that I'm putting in the air. And then my Mani by Me, you guys know. I loved it. We haven't done one in a while where I just show you guys doing my nail. I should do one of those. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you guys have a great evening. I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out. Hopefully I can stop with the fan really soon. Hopefully we'll be through this heat wave. It is crazy. Stay safe out there, guys.